Imagine standing on the edge of a skyscraper in New York City. You look down and for a split second, your stomach flips. Now imagine you lean forward and instead of falling, you soar. You zip between the glass towers, you dive under a bridge, and you feel the wind that isn't actually there. This is the promise of FPV, first-person view flight. For years, this experience was locked behind a gate. It was expensive, it was technically exhausting, and if you wore glasses, it was a nightmare of blurry lenses and pinched noses. But right now, DJI is doing something that has the entire drone community in an uproar. They've released the Goggles N3. On the surface, the N3 looks like the affordable version of the flagship Goggles 3. But if you think DJI just cut corners to save you a few $100, you're missing the most important tech story of 2026. This isn't just a headset, it's a strategic move to take FPV from a niche hobby to a mass-market reality. Today, we are going deep. We are going to talk about why a single LCD panel might actually be better for your brain than dual OLEDs. We're going to talk about the O4 transmission protocol that is currently pushing the limits of what's legal in US airspace. And we're going to answer the one question that every pilot is asking. In a world of pro gear, is the standard N3 actually the superior tool? If you are even remotely interested in drones, or if you've ever wanted to feel what it's like to have wings, stay right here. Because the DJI Goggles N3 is a masterclass in hidden value. And by the end of this video, you'll realize that the best gear isn't always the most expensive. Let's talk about the glasses problem. If you live in the US, there's a statistically high chance you wear corrective lenses. For years, FPV goggles were designed for people with perfect 20/20 vision. If you wore glasses, you had to buy custom diopter inserts, or you had to jam your frames into a tiny plastic box that smashed them against your face. It was the #1 reason people quit the hobby. The Goggles N3 is a direct response to that pain. DJI didn't just make them bigger. They engineered a ready-to-wear internal cavity. You don't take your glasses off. You don't adjust dials. You just put the goggles on and it works. This sounds like a small feature, but in the field, it's the difference between flying and frustration. It's about frictionless flight. But why the single screen? The Goggles 3 uses dual micro-LEDs. The N3 uses a single 3.5-inch 1080p LCD. Most reviewers will tell you that's a downgrade. But let's look at the science of field of view. The N3 offers a massive 54-degree diagonal FOV. Because it's a single large panel, you don't have the black bars or the binocular effect that some pilots feel with dual-screen setups. It's an immersive cinematic window. And while OLED has better blacks, this high-brightness LCD is tuned for 1000 nits. In the middle of a sunny day in the Arizona desert or on a bright Florida beach, that brightness is your lifeline. It's what allows you to see the power lines and the tree branches that would otherwise send your drone spiraling into the ground. Let's get into the O4 engine. This is the heart of the N3. The O4 transmission system is DJI's most advanced signal protocol to date. When paired with the DJI Avata 2 or the DJI Neo, we are talking about a 13-kilometer range in the United States. That's 8 miles. Now, legally, you have to keep your drone in line of sight, but that link button